Hello, how is everyone? Today, I'm going to show you how to enter and use ChatGPT on your Android phone without installing any applications. First, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT on Google. Once the results appear, choose the one that says Opening Check and make sure the domain is openai.com. Touch it and slide the screen down to find the Try ChatGPT button. At this point, you will need to log in or create an account. If you have a Gmail account, simply tap on Login and continue with your Google account, which is completely safe and secure. Next, you will be asked to enter your name and verify your phone number with an SMS code. Once verified, tap Next, and you will be inside ChatGPT. While the interface and everything else will be in English. To have access to ChatGPT on your phone, tap on the three dots and choose Add to Home Screen. Give it the name ChatGPT, tap Add, and then minimize the browser. You should now see a shortcut on your home screen that you can move anywhere you like. You don't need to keep the browser open. Just tap on the shortcut and start using ChatGPT for any queries or investigations you want. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech, and I'll see you in the next video.